employees.
They did. Yeah, we got birds in the house. They chose like a wrong place to nest. Is it gonna be all right, or is it gonna hold?
It should be all right.
Yeah, it should be.
Now we'll
Yeah.
find something new.
Yeah, birds chose the wrong place to nest. That's what I've been hearing these past few days. Chirping.
Something chirping up there.
Yeah, something's chirping up there. We got birds in the house. First we had mice. Now we got birds in the house.
Birds, not mice.
Yeah.
Birds.
Yeah, first we had mice way back in 2018, but now we got birds now. Remember we had mice before?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had mice. There's like a family of them. Going up there, huh?
Yeah.
I'll tag one just to document this. Is that gonna hold?
Sure. They go up and down it all the time and check the ferns.
Yeah. Let's see what's up there.
Yeah.
I can hear some chirping. Yeah, tweet, tweet. Oh, Tweety Bird isn't up here. Along with this.
Could be the outside of the chimney.
Outside? That could.
I don't know.
That could be the case, but we gotta find out. See anything up there?
No.
No. Don't fall. Dude, I'm plugging this shit.
A lot of insulation.
Yeah.
I think they're out in the chimney.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that could be up in the chimney, but
There's a little vent up there. Looks like they're in a chimney.
yeah, it might be in the chimney. Yeah, just the echoes like from the chimney to there.
They can't get in here.
No, exactly. So some might be like in the chimney area, I think. It could be about over there. You must have left.
There it is.
What? See it? Where is it?
Oh, that's a fake bird. No, it's not a fake bird. There's the bird.
Where?
Right here. Hold on a second.
Is it dead up there?
No. Run out to the garage on top. Hey,
Yeah.
on top of the refrigerator.
Yeah.
My right hand glove.
Yeah. Right hand glove. Got it. Right hand glove. Gotcha. All right, we're on the hunt for birds now, people. We're on the hunt for birds. Must be his right hand. All right, we're on the hunt for birds.
And I tell you what, and get me a baggie. There's 3 of them up here. They're babies.
But baby birds.
I need.
They're-
Give me one of those Walmart bags.
Yeah. Yeah. Dudes.
Give me the other glove.
Other glove. Other glove too. You need.
The other glove.
All right, got it. And a bag. Got it. So baby birds? So that's what I've been hearing. Baby birds. What the shit? Hang on. I'm gonna put the camera down. It's like. Alright. Hang on, Greg. Got a bag for you. One more bag and some gloves. There you go. One second here, people. So, we're on the hunt for birds. Yeah, baby birds in this case. Yeah, baby birds. Yeah. Not done the big pigs, hell no. So that's what's waving here. Baby birds.
Like that.
Oh, look. Let me see it. They're in that bag? Oh, look at that. There's the baby bird. Those his feathers? Let's see. Let me see. Oh, look.
I got 3 of them.
Oh, they're cute.
All right, that's all of them.
That's all of them?
That's what you've been hearing.
Yeah. Those baby birds in there. Are they dead or?
No, they're not dead. They're alive. The little ones.
Oh, look, you can see them through the bag.
There. Hold on to the top of that. Don't let them out.
Gotcha.
I got it turned around here to come down.
Oh, look. They're adorable. They're cute, aren't they?
Yeah, they're cute, all right.
Yeah.
They look like little ornaments sitting there. I thought they were Christmas ornaments.
Yeah, same goes for me, but
They were so still.
yeah, like they're sleeping.
I let them outside, and then probably the cats will probably get them.
Yeah. Oh, look at
Tough luck.
tough luck for you,
I
bird.
want to kill them.
Little birdies. I'll put my sandals on.
All right.
Tough luck for you, little birdies.
Over here.
Over here. Tough luck for you, little. Sorry, little birdies, but
You gotta go.
gotta go. We can't stay here.
Let you free. Set you free.
Let's see.
Yeah, they're ready to go.
Oh, look. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Baby birds. Bye, little birdies.
That's what you've been hearing right here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's up in hearing.
They can hardly fly, but they'll be up better.
Oh, look at this. That's what I've been
Yeah, they can
hearing.
fly.
There you
Come
go.
on.
Go on, little birdie. Come on. Come on, little bird. No. Oh, I'll let it go.
You'll be all right.
Aw. What do you know?
They'll be all right.
That's what we've been hearing all the time.
You were right, Andy. They're sitting right there, too. All 3 of them.
All 3 of them.
Well, they got a life now.
Yeah, they do got a life. Well, we did it. We saved the birds.
Yeah, how about that?
Yeah, we did it. Well, there you go. There you go, people. We saved the birds.
We did our good deed over there.
Yep.
Now they'll probably get eaten. Something out here.
Yeah, something like a cat.
Well, that's too bad. That's
That's,
just the way it is.
that's nature for you, man. Nature always wins.
We set them free.
Yep, we did it. That's it. See ya.
Just like the blast. Hey, you're on your own. Set you free.
Yep.